talk about love, it's hard to build a better nation with different races. When every day you awoke, there are new faces. No brotherly love, no sisterly love, for there are none. And nothing to erase from each night, horrible traces. Yet they talk about love, they talk about love. If they talk about love, 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 sweet love, listen. Then in the house of nations fight for more power, brotherly love. But it's easier to write a story in a long hour, brotherly love. No godly love, but there is always a daily grace. And it took a miracle to put love into hatred. Yeah, they talk about love, they talk about love. Yes, they talk about love, 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 sweet love, listen. Oh, talk about love. It's hard to build a better nation with different races. When every day you awoke, there are new faces. No brotherly love, no sisterly love, for there are none. And nothing to erase from each night, horrible traces. Yeah, they talk about love, they talk about love. They talk about love, 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 sweet love. Then in the house of nations fight for more power, brotherly love. But it's easier to write a story in a long hour, brotherly love. No godly love, but there is always a daily grace. And it took a miracle to put love into hatred. Yeah, they talk about love, they talk about love. Yes, they talk about love, 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 sweet love.
Wish it wasn't me, love. Wish it wasn't me, yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I saw you with your new guy in the park, and I wish it was me, love. I saw you hold him tight and kiss him all night, and I wish it was me, love. Oh, I wish we had never broke up, my dear. Now I'm sorry that I never played the game fair. Whoa. Lonely days and nights is all I'm going through. Can't get used to losing you. Can't understand why we had to part. And now I'm left here with a broken heart. Got to find a way to get you back, my dear. Got to get a ride on your love train, my dear. Whoa. Wish it was me, yeah. Loving is a must, in God we trust. Let's forget all the war and fuss. Girl, please take me back, I'll clean up my act. Tell the truth, face up to the fact. I can't stand another lonely night, no. Without you, my world just don't seem right, no. I saw you on the beach with your new guy, and I wish it was me, love. I saw you holding and walking to Love Land, and I wish it was me, love. Yes, those teardrops just keep tumbling down. Yes, I miss your smile and I miss having you around. Whoa. Wish it was me, love. Wish it was me, yeah. us, in God we trust. Let's forget all the war and fuss. Girl, please take me back, I'll clean up my act. Tell the truth, face up to the fact. I can't stand another lonely night, no. But without you, my world just don't seem right, no. I saw you with your new guy in the park, and I wish it was me, love. I saw you hold him tight and caress him right, and I wish it was me, love. Oh, I wish that we had never part. And girl, I'm left right here with a broken arm. Oh, wish it was me. I wish it was me, love.
I've made my decision, don't you know? You were made especially for me, but you just didn't know it. You are the key to my destiny, and I can't help but show it. I try to ask myself the reasons why. 'Cause baby, if you should leave now, I would surely die. Bad-minded people are trying to tear us apart. By your grace we will make it. I'm giving you the keys to my heart. Baby, please don't break it. I'm not one of those guys just passing through. And baby, if you leave me now, I don't know what I would do. No, no, no. Already made my decision a long, long time ago. I made my decision, don't you know? Lovers come and lovers go. Our love goes on forever. Let's take our time, let's take it slow. Until the 12th of never. We've come too far to stop and turn back now. And lovers do sometimes have a little pride. My baby, it seems you've cast a spell on me, and I just can't break it. You hold the key to my destiny, and I just can't change it. I feel so high, sometimes I touch the sky. And people often say, what is wrong with that guy? Already made my decision a long, long time ago. I made my decision, don't you know? You were made especially for me, but you just didn't know it. You hold the key to my destiny, and I can't help but show it. I try to ask myself the reasons why. 'Cause baby, if you leave me now, I would surely die. Bad-minded people are trying to tear us apart. By your grace we will make it. I'm giving you the keys to my heart. Baby, please don't break it. I'm not one of those guys just passing through. And if you should leave me now, I don't know what I would do. No, no, no. Feed the people, Lord have mercy. Oh. Feed the people and give them a chance, yeah. Feed the people and give them a chance, yeah. Down in the ghetto, the people are suffering. Down in the ghetto, the people are dying. What do you think will happen tomorrow? What do we leave our children to follow? Do you think they will stand up and be meekly dead? While the sisters and brothers in the ghetto crying out for bread, no. Feed the people, feed the people. The world is trouble and living ain't easy. The world is trouble and you got to believe it. Everyone is living for themselves. people and give them a chance, no. Feed the people and give them a chance, no. Down in the ghetto, the children are crying, they are crying. Down in the ghetto, the people are suffering. Oh no, no food to eat, no place to sleep. No food to eat, no place to sleep. Oh Lord, what do you think will happen tomorrow? What do we leave our children to follow? Do you think they will stand up and be meekly dead? While the sisters and brothers in the ghetto crying out for bread. Don't let them suffer. Don't let them suffer. No more, no. Oh no, no. Hey. Feed the people and give them a chance, yeah. Feed the people and give them a chance, boy. Yeah. Feed the people, feed the people. Ooh, oh, the world is trouble and living ain't easy. I said the world is trouble and you got to believe it. Everyone is living for themselves. No one don't care for no one else. Each man has a brother. No man stands alone.
It's easy to remember, but so hard to forget. The day you walked out of my life, baby, I thought you'd be in paradise. By the way you make so much noise and follow all your silly friends' advice. But baby, now you're boxing over here and you're boxing over there. You're boxing all over the place. Baby, I tell you, you're boxing over here and you're boxing over there. You're boxing all over the place, baby. If you were the type of woman who will face reality, baby, you'd be right here with me, baby. You shouldn't throw away your stick before you cross the water. Remember that new broom only sweep clean, baby, but the old broom knows the corner. So baby, you must realize that all that glitter is not gold, baby. Now you're boxing over here and you're boxing over there. You're boxing all over the place, baby. Yeah, you're boxing over here and you're boxing over there. You're boxing all over the place, baby. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Them a fight, but them can't fight the love in I are. Them a fight, but them can't fight the love in my heart. Chatty, to righteousness. I'm chatty, to constructiveness. Let them say what they want to say. Let them do what they want to do. Because a time gonna come when the wicked them have to run up and down. Them have to run
trotting to righteousness. I'm trotting to constructive. I'm trotting to righteousness. I'm trotting to constructive. The wicked in this time are the most dark in this time. While judge and children, them are humble, my brother, along the line. So long you get up and fight against the youth and you not talk about no truth. So long you get up and fight against the youth and you not talk about no truth. Them a fight, them cannot fight the love in my heart. Them a fight, cannot fight the love in my heart. I'm trotting to righteousness. I'm trotting to constructive. I know job people is doing the things that right, while the wicked them like to fight it down, you do with them eye. But in the sight of the Father, He know I'm right. So let them lie about it. So let them lie about it. Them a fight, but them can't fight the love in my heart. Them a fight, but them can't fight the love in my heart. Make a try to do the righteousness now. Make a try it now. The constructiveness now. They can't stop us now. No, they can't stop us now. Them a fight, but them can't fight the love in my heart. Them a fight, but them can't fight.
Don't you think we can make it now? Dream is for those who sleep. Life is for us to ask you right by my side. Just a dream come. I want you to make it
You made me go away from me, oh yeah. But I will.
Tickle me once ago, tickle me twice ago. Your sugar and spice girl, and everything nice girl. So love me forever, and I'll be true to you, girl. Yes, you are an angel, and you're mine, oh mine. Yes, you are an angel, and you're so divine. So love me forever, and I'll be true to you, girl. Angel of mercy, night of love. You are the one I'm dreaming of. Treat me nice, treat me good. Make me feel just like I should. Yes, you are an angel, and you're mine, oh mine. Yes, you are an angel, and you're so divine. Just love me forever, and I'll be true to you, girl.
You, my heart cries out for pity, for I found you the love of my life in someone else's arms. Well, your eyes are like the river Gideon, forgetful of the promise of love, you sharing another charm. Well, in the sad moment, my dreams are fading like a broken melody. While the gods above look down and laugh at what romantic fools immortal be. Hey, now I know my love was not for you, and so I take it that way, a smile. Goodbye. Well, got the blade. Don't try to fight me because you need for sale. I wake up in the morning, mix me some orange juice. When I get home in the evening, just put yourself in its cause. I've got the anchor, baby. You've got the blade. Don't try to fight me because you need for sale. Why, 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 why? I get up in the morning, mix me some orange juice. When I get home in the evening, just put yourself in its cause. I've got the angle, baby. You've got the blade. Don't try to fight me because you need for sale. I've got the angle, baby. You've got the blade. Don't try to fight me because you need for sale. I've got the angle, baby. You've got the blade. Don't try to fight me because you need for sale. Bye, bye,
and make enemy, while I man take love and make good friends. Some are sticking pocket, the other are flicking ratchet. But I man is here to teach you what's right from wrong. Say you know now. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oh yeah. Oh, he's mine. Let's live in love and unity, for I and I wanted to be free. Let's live in love and one unity. For anything that you do, Jaja all is see. Let's live in love and one harmony. Say you know now. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oh yeah. Lord, oh yeah. Some are sticking pocket, the other are flicking ratchet. But I man is here to teach you what's right from wrong. Listen me carefully. Let's live in love and unity. For anything you do, just see. I one black family. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, yeah. It is mine. Cut across, girl. For the man who you love, you gonna lose. Ooh yeah, you better hold on to what you got. Hold on, baby. Hold on to what you got. Hold on, yeah. Hold on. For two women don't supposed to fight over one man. All they got to do, let their love grow strong. And strong, they better hold on to what they got. Hold on, baby. Hold on to what you got. Hold on, yeah.
I'm quite sure I can knock you out. I am the gaga. In a this ya dance, I am the gaga. Yeah, I am the gaga. In a this ya dance, I am the gaga. Oh, I don't mess with the east or the west. I leave the public to suggest I am the gaga. In a this ya dance, I am the gaga. Yeah, people, I'm the gaga. In a this ya dance, I am the gaga. Yeah, yeah. Hush up your mouth, man, sip your stuff. This is not the dread, no what you talking about. I am the gaga. In a this ya dance, I am the gaga. Yeah, yeah, I am the gaga. In a this ya dance, I am the gaga. People listen, yeah. Woo. This ya dance, yeah. I don't mess with the east nor the west. I leave the public to suggest I am the gaga. In
In a this dance, I am the gaga. People listen, I am the gaga. Yeah, in a this dance, I am the gaga. Oh, hush up your mouth, man, sip your stuff. This is not the dread, no what I'm talking about. I am the gaga. In a this dance, I am the gaga. Yeah, 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 yeah. I am the gaga. In a this dance, I am the gaga. Hey, hey, hey. Coming from the north with my face to the south, I'm quite sure I can knock you out. I am the gaga. You come with your gun and you come with your knife to mash idol, yeah. To mash idol, yeah. If you alone come, I will mash you down, mash you down. If you alone come, yeah. If you alone come. If you alone come, I will mash you down, yeah. And if your friends come, I will mash them down. If all of you come, I will mash you down. Like butter against the sun, like butter against the sun, yeah. Let us all learn to love and unite. Let us all learn and don't fuss or no fight. Fuss or no fight, yeah. I'll fight for my right, yeah. I'll fight for my right, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll mash you down. Yeah. You come with your gun and you come with your knife. I'll mash you down, yeah. I'll mash you down, yeah. Yeah. Some people can't see the light, them prefer to live and make strife. They'll chat you all day and night, all day long looking for a fight. But I'm scuffling, I can't waste no time cause I'm hustling. Can't waste another day cause I'm scuffling. I'm working every day, yes I'm struggling for the things that are right. I don't like bad company, all those things they say about me. I don't care a damn cause I'm scuffling. I can't waste no time, yes I'm hustling. Can't waste another day cause I'm hustling. I'm working every day, yes I'm scuffling. Yeah, I don't like fussing or quarreling. I'm a man who lives with my discipline. Some people go out of their way to make trouble with me every day. But I'm scuffling, I can't waste no time cause I'm hustling. Can't waste another day cause I'm scuffling, yeah. Hustling. I don't love fussing or quarreling. I'm a man who lives with my discipline. Some people go out of their way to make trouble with me every day. But I'm scuffling, To put your trust in your best friend, now you're sorry. Now you're sorry. your precious stuff. Taken away your woman you love, for how nasty. And oh, you're sorry. Memories of all the happy times you held with pride now makes you wanna commit suicide, cause you're sorry. Oh, you're sorry. No, pick up yourself and don't you lose your soul. Grab a hold and take control, don't you worry. It's not the end of the world. I know the hurt you're feeling. I need you to know that life goes on. I believe that somewhere out there there's a special and perfect person for everyone. Now you know some people are not what they seem. They even turn out to be really mean. Be careful. Oh, yes, my friend, man to man is so unjust. You don't know really who to trust. Be careful. They will see you and even laugh with you. Behind your back, they laugh at you. Be careful. For everyone. Now you know some people are not what they seem. They even turn out to be really mean. Be careful. Oh, yeah. Yes, my friend, man to man is so unjust. You don't know really who to trust. Be careful. They will see you and even laugh with you. Behind your back, they laugh at you. Be careful. Told you I told you time again. Oh,
yeah. Righteousness are the conqueror, not the trade of the controller. Righteous are the ruler for everything. I not deal with the unrighteousness. I not deal with the ungodliness. A righteousness, me all I deal with. Righteous are the conqueror. Not the dread of the controller. Come on now. Yes, I not deal with the unrighteousness. I not deal with the ungodliness. A righteousness, me I deal with. This was written in Africa, that we all should have an equal rights and a justice for everyone. Righteous are the conqueror. Not the dread of the controller. For this was written in Africa, that we all should have an equal rights and a justice for every man. So let us all stand up firm on this land as a true born restaman, 'cause that prepare the land for one and all. Righteous are the conqueror. what you say. Come on now. I deal with the unrighteousness, and I deal with the ungodliness. Righteousness, me I deal with. For this was written in Africa, that we all should have an equal rights and a justice for every man. Righteous as the conqueror. Yes, he is. No matter what you do, tribulation is for everyone. It is a long, long, long tribulation. That's why I'm suffering as a black man. I say the yoke, the pope, the romance got to mash down. That is the only way we can free a black man's sufferation. Yes, I say the yoke, the pope, the romance got to mash down. That is the only way we can solve a black man tribulation. Oh yes. It's not like a letter that you can post. Please, my brethren, don't stay there and fight your own goals. Just give up thanks and praise to George of the most. Yes, and he will guide you from post to post. That's why I say it is a long, long, long tribulation. That's why I'm suffering as a black man. I say the yoke, the pope, the romance got to mash down. That is the only way we can free a black man's sufferation. See, I say the yoke, the pope, the romance got to mash down. You go over, I know you're gonna scroll. Yes, you are no good, you are no good, God, for the things that you do in front of me. She is no good, she is no good, yes, for the things that you do in front of my eyes. In front of my eyes, I've seen you walking on other men, and searching his pocket for his money. From that action, I know the type of woman you wanna be. You just love a man for his money, girl. You are no good, you are no good, for the things that you do in front of my eyes. You are no good, you are no good, for the things that you really done to me. You are no good, girl. You're ruining the neighborhood. You are no good, girl.
key. It's love me I deal with. Girl, I love me I deal with. You are no good. Yes. You are no good. You are no good. Que yes, sister Cassandra, sitting on a veranda. Sister Cassandra, please don't wonder, girl. When I look and I see her with all of those pearls deep inside of me, you are the nicest girl. Yes, Sister Cassandra, your eyes can't deceive me, girl. Sister Cassandra, you got to believe me, girl. Cassandra, oh yeah, Cassandra, yes. Surely your heart will receive my word. I want you to know that you are my girl. Yes, it's been 1,000 times I've been knocking on your door. Believe me, Cassandra, I just cannot take it no more, girl. Cassandra, yeah, your eyes can't deceive me. Yes, Cassandra. Surely your heart will receive my word. I want you to know that you are my girl. Believe me, Cassandra, I just cannot take it no more. It's been 1,000 times I've been knocking on your door. Cassandra, yes. Oh yeah.
You're the cherry in my pie. One girl, oh yeah. Girl, you are the center of attraction. There's no one else around compared to you. From my point of view, and 1,000 other men out there think so too. Hey, but what am I to do? I'm not the only one who's crazy about you. About you. 'Cause you're getting all the attention, yeah. While some girl name no mention, yeah. Make them feel away, yeah. Girl, you're the order of the day. When you walk down the street with your friends, you know you get the most compliments. Your beauty is deep, they like your physique. The way how you speak, oh, you're so sweet. When I look in your eyes, you got me hypnotized. Enough man out the street, and when you pass, you make them all skip a beat. You're getting all the attention, yeah. While some girl over this a name no mention, yeah. You make them feel away, yeah. But girl, you're the order of the day. You're the star of the show. Wherever you go, you're the light of the party. No girl can test you, no way. The apple of my eye, center of attraction, the cherry in my pie. Oh girl, you are the center of attraction. There's no one else around to compare to you, from my point of view. And 1,000 other men out there think so too. Hey, but what am I to do? 'Cause enough of me breaking them after you too. But what am I to do? Oh yeah, girl, that's something where you have. Yes, and then after it's bad. But remember who first. They check you around the terminus. They getting all the attention. While some girl name no mention. Make them feel away. But girl, you're the order of the day. When you walk down the street with your friends, you know you get the most compliments. Your beauty is deep, they like your physique. The way how you speak, girl, you know you're so sweet. When I look in your eyes, you got me hypnotized. Enough man out the street. When you pass, you make them all skip a beat. You getting all the attention, while some girl named it no mention. Tell them no feel no way. 'Cause girl, them know I saw you stay. Oh yeah, you're the center of attraction. The center of attraction. Oh yeah, you're the center of attraction. You're the apple of my eye. Oh yeah,
of all the nation and discretion, black people face the most tribulations. You hear? Tell me I really can't understand it. I own the Babylon system of flow. I said it want to make Rastaman panic, but it's one thing I and I know. Sometimes the pressure make we feel like Allah, and then we look with it no way out. Breaking me back to make overnight dollar. And Babylon don't want it reach to we mouth. Still we are keeping up for resistance. You can't get the Rastaman out. Brigadier is keeping up for resistance. They can't get the Rastaman out. But me say blow wind blow, I blow storm blow. I have to go home later tonight. I have to spend some time with my family. Tonight I wanna sleep with my wife. I know the poor people don't have no shelter, and they're dying for hungry. They better put their trust into Jehovah, and Jah will surely work one way out. But they have to have some strong resistance, and I'm gonna work it out. You better have strong resistance, and Jah will help you out. Because Jah little lightning, Jah roll thunder, Jah put water in the river, and Jah make you mommy, Jah make you daddy. Come here, so everything will be irie. So me say blow man blow, blow man blow, blow me so home so man blow. Wow, blow man blow, blow 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 man blow, blow me so home so man shit. Sometimes the pressure make a high man holler, and I can prep there is no way out. Break him back to make an overnight dollar. And Babylon no want the food which me mouth. You know why? I keep it up for resistance. I'm gonna work it out. You know why? Keep it up for resistance. I'm gonna work it out. Blow man blow, blow man blow. I have to go home late tonight. I have to spend some more time with my family. But staying home ain't gonna make things right. Sometimes the pressure make I feel like hollow how. And I pray Jah there is no way out. Although I want to leave out of Babylon, but Babylon to me mouth for bringing. I give it up for resistance. Rasta gotta work it out. You know, I give it up for resistance. And Rasta gonna work it out. Us look of the kids, they are suffering. They have no place to sleep tonight. They don't have no food. No God Almighty. What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? Jah know it is a sin. What kind of world are we living in? From 1976, I miss up to 81. Politics warfare, it might shut the land. Where them get a miss so much gun from. Not to remember M16 times and the mother one. But who come in so Remington, the smaller one. When Rima fire shot and jungle is so lick it back. Give the fire shot and then on town will lick it back. When we teach a fire shot and Angola lick it back. Tab on fire shot and miss second fire back. It go bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Then we shoot civilian and Christian with the bazooka and the Remington. Then no matter if you are politician, anywhere you go you have to understand. When Rima fire shot, jungle is a lick it back. Give the fire shot, them a town will lick it back. Hermitage a fire shot and August town will lick it back. That one fire shot again, time you lick it back. It go boom, bye, 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 boom, bye, bye, brr, bye, bye, boom, bye, 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 boom, bye, bye, bye. Man, what kind of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? Now we say, gunman, you tell me where you get the gun from. Repeat it again, gunman, you tell me where you get the gun from. You know star, because them killing out the woman, them killing out the man. I know them start on the younger generation with the pump action and the Remington. Them no care if you are civilian, even if you are pastor or a Christian. Them wine shot you, they're a dead man, gunman. You tell me where you get the gun from. Repeat it again, gunman. You tell me where you get the gun from. Oh God, what type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? It is a sin. What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? Give it on start. From 1976, I mean say up to 81. Politics warfare, it mash up the land. Where them a get a miss so much gun from. Not to remember M16 and the Remington, bazooka, Thompson and the mother one. When Rima fire shot and jungle is a lick it back. Give the fire shot and then on town a fire back. And teach a fire shot and Angola lick it back. That one fire shot and Kenita you lick it back. It go goodbye, 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 bye, 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 goodbye, 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 bye, 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 bye. What a thing, Lord of mercy. What a thing, Lord of mercy. What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in?
Because I didn't know you was home. No, I didn't come to meet you, darling, because I didn't know you was home. I thought that you was out with that new guy, having yourself apart. Yeah, I thought that we was drinking and smoking, cause you threatened me about the guy 1 week ago. Yeah, Lord. And I took it so serious, baby. I didn't know that you was kidding me. No, I'm a serious man. Yeah. I didn't come to meet you, darling, because I didn't know you was home. Oh, I said that I could come along, couldn't come along. No, I didn't come to meet you, darling, because I didn't knew you was home. No, I couldn't come to meet you, darling, because I didn't know you was home. You threatened that you would leave me, baby, and go out and have yourself a but I didn't know that you was kidding me. What tell them, hey. Everything you see, you have the one to control. Taken from the innocent, your heart is too cold. Remember the greedy dog who lost his bone. You say you're a pirate, but you'll reap what you sow. Living at last house, but still you a throw stone. Your greedy ways, I say, going cut you down. You don't give to no one, you only take away. Yeah, but when Jaja clap you, you'll think it's an earthquake. Na. If you are greedy, dog, you must lose your bone. Yeah, you've never settled down. You always are wrong. Yeah. Someday I say you'll find yourself so alone. Yeah, like a king who lost his throne. Yeah, you shall go down. Remember the greedy dog